Hey, what's up guys? Back again with another video. This episode we're going to be going over the finally keyword actually in Java. And it's actually not the same as final, but yeah, it's very similar in name but not in what it does. But anyway. So this hooks into our try and catch statements that we've been learning about and handling and stuff like that. And so a brief explanation of what the finally keyword does. It is a piece of code that runs no matter what, basically. So let's say we have a try and catch statement here. Okay, so we'll have try, and then we'll have catch. We'll do a null pointer exception. Good. So sout e, and then sout error handled. Okay, good. So we're gonna try. We're gonna throw new null pointer exception. There we go. So that should work. So let's try running it. So we'll generate an exception, then we'll handle it, and good. So we have, yeah, good. So it didn't get sent to the default handler. So now if we add the finally keyword, what this piece of code will do, it will just simply run no matter what. Okay, and so this catch statement doesn't actually have to be here, but this try statement has to be here. It has to hook into a try statement. But yeah, but let's add this onto the end. So sout finally always runs. Okay, so this will prove that it always runs. So it'll still handle the exception, everything will be good, but this will have to run at the end. So like I said, you don't have to have this, so let's get rid of it and see what happens. So yeah, the error wasn't handled, and it was sent to the default handler, but before the program crashed, finally it was run. So that's good. So yeah, that's what that does. And then let's say we generate an exception, but we don't handle it. Actually, we just did that. So let's say there is no exception, and we just run, some random piece of code. Oops, wrong thing. Okay, so we'll run whatever that is, and we're not generating an exception, so this won't even be needed. But anyway, so yeah, it'll still run, of course, because finally always runs. So yeah, it's pretty simple concept. And if you want to see like a little chart, I'll show you right here. So right here is we have a chart that shows how finally works basically. So if an exception occurred in your program, no matter what, it'll still run. So even if it doesn't run, it'll still run here. Or if it does occur an exception, then it'll say if the exception is handled, then it'll still run. But if it's not handled, it'll still run. So the point is, no matter what, it'll still run. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So yeah, if you like this episode, leave a like. If you have any questions, I know it's pretty simple, but some people might have questions. Don't be afraid to ask. And yeah, so you can do that in the comments section. And then if you want to join our Discord, it's in the description if you want to do that. Subscribe if you want to see more. Leave a like, and peace.